What is just-in-time? Just-in-time means a system of manufacturing that makes and delivers what is needed, when is needed, and in the quantity needed. Why use just-in-time? Who needs these pieces? Focus on the customer. Customers want the highest quality product at the lowest cost and shortest lead time. You have to reach both customer satisfaction and your internal efficiency. Just-in-time aims for the total elimination of the 7 wastes to achieve the best possible quality at the lowest cost and use of resources. Just-in-time will help you to have the shortest production and delivery lead times. The 3 elements of just-in-time. Just-in-time is based on the Heijunka and is formed of 3 elements: takt time, continuous flow, and a pull system. Element 1. Takt time. Takt time is how often you should produce one part or product to meet customer demand. For example, 1 piece every 22 minutes. Element 2. Continuous flow. Continuous flow means producing and moving one item at a time to meet the takt time. This way of production prevents the material to have stagnation between processes. Element 3. Pull system. Pull means providing the customer or the downstream process only what is required according to a signal from the customer. By combining these 3 elements, you can easily realize the just-in-time. If you want more details, read the description below.